Milk. It is a staple in many of our diets, something we have been drinking since we were babies. But lately, milk has become a bit of a mystery, shrouded in controversy. Is it a health hero or a villain in disguise? Today, we are going to dive deep into the milky debate. We will explore the science behind milk, its evolutionary history, and the conflicting claims about its health effects. By the end, you will have a clearer picture of whether that glass of milk is your friend or foe. Let us start at the beginning. Milk is the foundation of every mammal's diet after birth. It is packed with nutrients to fuel growth and development, and it even contains antibodies to protect us from infections. But humans are unique. We are the only species that continues to drink milk after infancy, and not just any milk, milk from other animals. This practice started about 11,000 years ago with the rise of agriculture. Our ancestors realized that dairy animals could turn inedible plants into nutritious food, a major advantage for survival. And over time, this led to a fascinating evolutionary adaptation. Most mammals lose the ability to digest lactose, the sugar in milk, after infancy. But in populations with a long history of dairy farming, a genetic mutation allowed them to continue producing the lactase enzyme needed to digest milk throughout their lives. This is why lactose intolerance is less common in some parts of the world, like Northern Europe, than in others, like East Asia. But this brings us to the heart of the milk mystery. Is it actually good for us? Claims about milk's negative health effects have been swirling around, linking it to everything from cancer to brittle bones. So, let us separate fact from fiction. Does milk cause cancer? The evidence is mixed. Some studies have shown a slight increase in prostate cancer risk with high milk consumption, but others have found no link at all. The calcium in milk may even protect against colon cancer. The bottom line? Moderate milk consumption is unlikely to increase your cancer risk. What about bone health? Again, the research is inconclusive. Some studies suggest milk may not be the bone-building superhero we once thought it was. And then there are concerns about hormones, pesticides, and antibiotics in milk. While these are present in trace amounts, they are generally within safe limits set by regulatory authorities. But the milk mystery goes beyond personal health. There are ethical and environmental concerns to consider. The dairy industry's impact on animal welfare and the planet is undeniable. Factory farming practices raise serious ethical questions, and milk production contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. This brings us to the rise of plant-based milk alternatives. While they may not be nutritionally identical to cow's milk, they offer a more sustainable and ethical choice. And with the development of lab-grown milk, we may soon have another option that provides the nutritional benefits of dairy without the ethical and environmental baggage. So, where does this leave us? The milk mystery remains complex. For most people, moderate milk consumption is unlikely to be harmful, but it is crucial to be aware of the potential downsides, both for our health and the planet. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Whether you choose to drink milk or opt for an alternative, make informed decisions based on your individual needs and values. And remember, the milk mystery is still unfolding, so stay curious and stay informed.